Hello, welcome. Today I will show you how you can unlock your Caixadirecta service using the Caixadirecta application. You just have to open your application and click here where it says Recover Access. Now you will hear a virtual assistant that will speak with you, and you basically have to put your contract number of your Caixadirecta service. And if you don't know how you can see your contract number, I'll leave a link of the video that I made explaining you how you can get the information using the Caixadirecta application. After you put your contract number, the next step is to put your mobile phone number. And if your mobile phone number is not a Portuguese number, you have to put the country code before you put your mobile phone number. And after that, you just have to answer the questions that the virtual assistant will ask you. Once you answer all the questions, and if they are all correct, you just have to click where it says sim or yes, if it's in English. And if the system validates all your answers correctly, you will receive in a few moments a code for you to log in your account. The code will be sent via SMS. Now you just have to click here where it says sair or leave. You will have to put the code that you receive via SMS. And now the next step is for you to create a new access code. You just have to follow the constructions rule of the new code. Basically, the code has to have 6 digits. The number can only repeat 2 times, and is not recommended for you to use your contract number, NIF, or your mobile phone number. Now you have to repeat the code, and if they are all correct, you will log in your account. I hope I helped you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.